Here is an example under arithmetic progression A. So the question we are given says that in the sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, A, find the common difference. B, find the next three terms. So let's look at it. So we have solution. So the sequence we are given is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And we are asked to find the common difference. So our D is equals to the second term minus the first term, which is what? 5 minus 3, and that will give us what? 2, okay? Or we can say our common difference is equals to 7 minus 5. So we have 7 minus 5, which is also equals to what? 2. Or our common difference can be given as what? The fourth term, which is what? 9 minus the third term, which is what? 9 minus 7, and that is also 2. Or we can say that our common difference is equals to what? The fifth term, which is what? 11 minus the fourth term, which is what? 9. And that will give us what? 2. Okay? So whichever one that you want, you can use any one that you want. So let's continue with the question. So we have the B part. We're asked to find the next three terms, okay? The n term of an AP, which is what? Tn, is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times what? The common difference, okay? So the next three terms of the AP will be what? The next three terms. The next three terms are, now, how many times do we have? We have, this is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So the next three terms will be what? T6, T7, and what? And T8. So from the sequence we are given, our first term, which is A, is equals to what? Is equals to 3. And our common difference, D, is equals to what? 2. So our T6, which is the next sequence, our T6 will be equals to what? Will be equals to A, which is what? The common, which is the first term, we have 3 from the formula, 3 plus our n is 6. So we have 6 minus 1 times the common difference, which is what? Which is 2. So we have times 2, and this will give us what? 3 plus 6 minus 1 is what? Is 5 times 2, and this will give us 3 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So 3 plus 10 will give us 13, okay? So this is T6, and the same thing goes to T7. T7 will be equals to what? Will be equals to 3, which is the first term, A, okay? Plus our n is 7 minus what? 1, okay? Then times the common difference, which is what? 2. And this will give us what? 3 plus what? 7 minus 1 will give us what? Will give us 6 times what? 2. So this will give us 3 plus what? 6 times 2 is what? Is 12. So 3 plus 12 will give us 15. And our T8, which is the last term we are asked to find, will be equals to what? We have A plus n minus 1 times what? D. So our A, which is the first term, is equals to what? 3 plus our n is 8 minus what? Minus 1. So times the common difference, which is D, which our common difference is what? 2. So this will give us what? 3 plus 8 minus 1 is what? 7. So times 2. And this will give us 3 plus 7 times 2 will give us what? 14. So 3 plus 14 will give us 17. So the sequence will now become, the sequence is, from the sequence we are given, we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, followed by T6, which is what? 13, then followed by T7, which is what? 15, then followed by what? T8, which is what? 7. So this is the sequence you are required to find. So thank you very much. Make sure you share this video and watch the next video for another example under arithmetic progression. Thank you.